Hello friends, welcome to my video. Today we'll explore an interesting concept called inline arrays and we'll see how they can be used to improve performance in our application. This concept is one of the proposed features for C# 12. So before we get started, just a quick reminder to subscribe my channel, hit the red button and don't forget to click on the little bell icon. That way you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, without any further delay, let's get started. Inline arrays in C# 12.0. So what exactly are inline array in C# 12? Well, inline arrays are a powerful feature that allows developers to create fixed-sized arrays within a struct type. They are often used by runtime team and library authors to optimize performance. To declare an inline array, we need to use the System.Runtime.CompilerServices.inline array attribute followed by the desired size of the array. Okay, let's see the example shown over here. Here, what I have done, I have created one struct fixed array that has one private variable underscore element O. Then I have marked this attribute to this struct System.Runtime.CompilerServices.inline and I have given the size as a 5 to 8. Right? So this is nothing but we have declared a struct name fixed array with an inline array of size 5. It means that this struct should be treated as an array with a fixed length of 5 elements. And this element, right, this element will be used by the C# 12 compiler internally. Okay, now let's see how we can use this fixed array struct. So for that, we have one class named program that has main method, which is an entry point of this application. Here, I have instantiated this fixed array struct. That's what I have written, where fixed array is equal to new fixed array. Then what I am doing, I am using this for loop to populate the value into this fixed array. And that's what I have written for int I is equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus, and then fixed array I is equal to I. Then what I am doing, once this data got populated into the struct, then we are using the for each loop to fetch the data and then printing finally into this console window. That's what I have written, for each var value in fixed array console.writeLine value. So one by one, it is just going to fetch the value from the fixed array and then will print into this console window. If you see this output at right hand side over here, here the output got printed 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Now we need to keep in mind that as an application developer, we may not often declare our own inline arrays. Instead, we might encounter them when working with certain runtime APIs that expose them as a system.span or system.read-only-span object. So these APIs might leverage inline arrays to improve performance when dealing with fixed size buffers. Besides performance optimization, inline arrays have other use cases too. They can be helpful in scenarios like interoperability with native code, serialization and deserialization, state machine, bit flags, ring buffers, and many more. So remember, when working with inline arrays or any performance-oriented features, it's crucial to measure the performance impact and understand this application-specific requirement. Then we need to decide whether that particular performance-oriented feature is suitable for this particular requirement or not. Right? That's all for this video, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. Thanks for watching. See you next video.